All right, guys, today I want to do a quick review on my rechargeable LED table lamp. It's also an unboxing, so let's go ahead and take out the box. Been super excited for this one. Love the cordless feature of it, so let's check it out. I'll probably end up keeping it here in my home office, so let's see. Very solid material. Let's get it out of here. Let's see. Look at that. Very, very clean. So let's see. It also comes with your Type-C charger cable. So let's hook it up and see how it works. All right, guys, I went and connected it to the Type-C cable that was provided. So I just want to go over some of the features that I thought were very neat on it. So if you push the button that is on here, we'll go ahead and push it now. You go ahead and fires it all up. It's got 3 color temperatures on there. So that's very, very cool. So let me go back to this one. And then if you long press it, as you can see, it'll dim it. So like that is very, very neat. So just depending on how bright or dim you need the light, you can definitely adjust it. So I thought that was a very, very neat feature that you can do on here. And then the last thing that I didn't mention was it's also water resistant. So if you need to take this anywhere, even if it is outdoors, like I said, you can use it. You can see I don't have it plugged in right now and it still works. You could definitely use it outside. So very, very neat. The other thing you would do is, considering how nice and sleek it is, I do have the brown one in case you were wondering. So again, if you're looking for an awesome cordless table lamp, highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.